this is Vishnu Sai from Vishnu Sai Tech Vlogs. I'm back again with another tech news. Welcome to Tech News episode number 38. So let's get started our tech news today's episode. First tech news from Oppo. Oppo recently we know that Oppo was launched Oppo A15, A19 and so many mobiles. So Oppo company was hiked their mobile prices in India today. If you can see the mobile prices which were hiked today in India means Oppo A53 S 5G which was their hiked the price almost 1000 rupees, and the Oppo A15 they are hiked the price almost 500 rupees. They are increasing hiked their prices due to the cost of uh, not requirement of chipset and some other materials to the required to the mobile phones. So that the company was claiming that that's why we are hiking the prices of the Oppo mobiles due to the pandemic of the COVID-19 situation. So let us hope for the best. I don't think these are the prices which are launched 18,000 and they are hiking that 1000 rupees it may cost of 19,000. So the persons who are using bank card offer they will usually get discount. So I am not satisfied with their hiking the prices. So next tech news from Samsung. Samsung we know that Samsung Jet Flip 3 we are Samsung we are seeing Samsung Jet Flip 2, Samsung Fold 2 we are also seeing. So the Samsung was ready to launch Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 in China. They are going to launch August 22 Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 and the Samsung Galaxy 4 Samsung Galaxy Flip 3 also. So we will see in that almost the uh, October or November we'll see in India the Samsung from the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So let us see when they will going to announce the mobile in India. So next tech news from the Nokia. We know that Nokia was a clean Android. If you compare with any mobile operating systems, if you can see the OnePlus, it is coming with Oxygen OS. It is the most compatible and the most secured system from the OnePlus, and the Apple ecosystem also it is also very secure. And the Nokia ecosystem also it is also very secure, and the clean Android there is no uh, unnecessary apps like WeChat like that. So the in China we know that the Google and the YouTube which was made from the Google Gmail or Google Gmail email YouTube like that, the Google apps almost banned in China. So the Nokia was last night they are announcing that we are going to announce the Harmon OS in Nokia mobiles, which is coming the future generation mobiles from the Nokia. So let us see. I think the Harmon was first time I will see that Nokia from the Nokia mobile phones. We are seeing that Harmon OS. So let us see what will they are going to do. So let next take news from the MI where we are seeing that MI Mix in I think 2017 they are launched the MI Mix first generation mobile phone which has a two camera lens setup. I'm going to show you on the screen. They're taking the two camera lens setup on the front dual camera lens setup 12 megapixel for plus two ultra wide angle camera. So they're going to retro the mobile phones which was announced in 2017. They're going to launch the new mobile phone in this 2021 MI Mix 2. So let us see their new concept phone is MI Mix Alpha. We have seen that the concept phone actually in 2020. In this year they are going to launch MI Mix second generation mobile phone, improving the cameras two cameras to three cameras, 48 plus 2 plus 2 or 48 plus 8 plus 2. So front camera they are going to take that punch hole camera which was 20 megapixel. So let us see when they will taking that. The Man Kumar Jain said that we'll take that mobile phone to India before Diwali. So let us see what will they going to do. So next news from the Contra. We know that the Contra is it is a game which is almost they are they're not taking that the game which was completely almost completed 10 years back I think. Stop. Almost 10 years back the game was not published by the users. There are so many users are not interested to uh, play the game which is the Contra game. I think it is 10 to 15 years back the game was designed. So the game was back the retro. They are making that retro designs and the Contra. If you can see in the Play Store officially the Contra returns is back. So if anyone interested to play the Contra, let us have a look on that on the Play Store. Next is from the Apple Mastercard or Oppo Mastercard. We'll see that Apple card, we are using the Apple cards to transfer the money or something else, etc. If you can see the Apple card, I will show you on the screen. It like that the Apple wallet is there. We will purchase any other apps which is professional apps like editing apps in the Play Store, App Store. We have to purchase by using Apple wallets, by making cards and else, etc. Like that. The Oppo was also taking that Oppo Mastercard, which is used to purchase a professional and the editing app which is taken from the Oppo store. So in today it was registered by the BIS certification of the government of India. So let us see when we'll take the Oppo Mastercard. So next one is from the Realme. Realme today launched the Realme Bud Trimmer, which is with Realme Bud Trimmer Plus. They are taking that rupees 2000 rupees actually. First time on the 5th July on the 12 p.m. There is special in this. First time from the Realme, from the Tech Life of the trimmer. First time we are seeing that from the Realme. They are taking the Type C port. Actually, the runtime approximately the company was saying that 120 hours. So we know that actually maximum it will convert to 100 hours. So let us see how many. Let us hope for the best. If anyone interested to buy that, I will give you the link in the description. Have a look on that. Next news from the Realme. Realme also announced that Realme Bud Trimmer, not Bud Trimmer Plus, only Bud Trimmer. It is only they are taking that from the 1,300 rupees first sale from the 5th July, 12 p.m. So if anyone should have a look on that. Next news from the Realme. Also Realme announced so many products today. They are 12 p.m. They launched the Realme hair dryer also. It is approximately taking that 2,000 rupees. First sale start from 5th July 12 p.m. If anyone interested, please register on the realme.com on the Flipkart.com, and it is also available from the soon from the online offline stores also. The company was claimed that. So next news from the Daiso. We know next news from the Realme Buds. Realme today launched the wireless wide earphones, which is approximately 8.2 mm drivers. They are taking that rupees 500 rupees. This is also started today first sale, July 2 p.m. Actually, it is completed the first sale today. If anyone interested, now also the sale live is on. If anyone interested, have a look on that. So next news from the Daiso. We know that Daiso Realme company. It is Realme announced that a new company to the new tech life of the gaming music industry. They are taking that Realme from the Daiso brand, which is recently announced today. Daiso, it is a co-brand of Realme. Daiso today launched that Daiso Go Pods D, which is available from July 14, 12 p.m. on Flipkart and soon in the offline stores. Also, it is came. The price was 1,400. If you can see the TWS buds, actually so many companies were taking it only 8.2 mm drivers. It is the last and seen I have ever seen that. Like Daiso today were taking that 10 mm drivers. Which is a good thing. So let us see. There is no ANC cancellation, active noise cancellation. There is nothing in this Daiso buds. So let us see how it survive to how it will survive to the all companies. How it give the tough competition to all companies. Congratulations to the Daiso. Next news from the Daiso. Daiso was really announced that today. I think they are taking that Realme Daiso wireless buds, which is taken from the. It is available from 1,300, available on July 7, 12 p.m. on Flipkart, and also available from the soon in offline stores. They are said that it is the complete specification. I would like to say there is a 11.2 mm bass boost drivers and the 17 hours total playback time and the 88 millisecond low latency, and they are taking that environmental noise cancellation. It is coming with the Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and it is compatible up to magnetic instant connection. It is also a lightweight, 23.1 grams of lightweight. Work with Realme Link app, which is available in the Play Store. They are coming the 11.2 mm bass boost drivers. If you can charge this, it will total playback time is 17 hours. Total playback 10 minutes charge. If you can charge the wireless buds in 10 wireless neck buds, wireless neck band. If you charge the 10 minutes, it will play approximately 2 hours. So it is a good thing. It is taking that environmental noise cancellation, 88 millisecond new latency. So that is the it is Another thing is they are taking that IPX4 water and distillation is also survive in the water also, water sprinkles on the water also. It is only work with the Realme Link app. So if you can interested, have a look on that. Next news from the Nothing. We know that the OnePlus founder Carl Pugh was resigned from the OnePlus company due to the cause of some reasons, and the Carl Pugh was started that the Nothing brand, which is in the audio brand. I think they are taking that audio brand Nothing. I think the name was, they are taking that Nothing will be first year reports they are going to launch in June, but due to the cause of some reasons they are taking that the Nothing earbuds, first generation earbuds. We will see that in 27th July 18:30 18:30 p.m. they are going to announce and launch the Nothing earbuds, and we will see that in future we will see that from the mobile phones also in Nothing brand. So let us see and let us hope for the best. Congratulations to Kalki. So guys, this is today tech news. If you can loved it the video, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.